Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. PK Dan here. You guys already know who it is. Today we're going to get into the video. Today we're going to talk about all the new modifications and upgrades that I've done to the bike. Other than this, you guys, let's get right into the video. So the first thing I've done is, as you guys can see so far, is I took off my front mirrors because I wanted the bar and mirrors. So this is what the bar and mirrors look like. I actually like how it looks, and what I did was I rode around without any mirrors for about a couple days, and I must say it actually looks pretty cool. And it's kind of takes a little bit to get used to. I just installed them yesterday, so that's what they look like from the front. I think it looks pretty cool, and plus maybe it will help out a little bit better, especially in my blind spot section. But other than that, let's get into the next part. So the next part is I got new tires. I don't know if you guys have noticed, literally I was riding on the same old tires for like a whole year, and then I finally got my new ones on. So those are the new tires. I finally got the new tires on. Actually, before I get into the next one, the bar and mirrors, I watched a video on YouTube. I can put him in the description, but the best way I found out how to do these, especially if you have a heat gun. He used a blow dryer, but if you do have a heat gun, it's like the best way to do it. And what I did was I put the heat gun on, you know, on the bar ends. I sat there, and then I gave myself about maybe 2 minutes on my phone, and then you'll see this part start. You'll see smoke start coming out, and that's how you know it worked. You next thing you know, you get a screwdriver, and you'll be able to just take it right on out. So other than that, let's get into the next part. So I know some of you are going to notice that I don't have an exhaust. It's fully straight pipe right now. I will say it's loud. It's stupid loud, and plus it does backfire a lot. But I'm going to get another exhaust to put it on. I ended up taking the exhaust off, and I lost the washer, and so I'm going to have to get another exhaust unless I can find that washer somewhere in the garage. But other than that, it's going to have to be straight pipe for now. Another thing I did was the license plate eliminator. Now, it's not really a license plate eliminator because I still got the lights. But I don't know if you guys noticed, it was this huge stock one, and now it's the small one, and the small one looks a lot better. The only problem I have is the license plate light. It's the old one. It came with one, so I'm thinking about putting the new one on because I have no license plate light. The only way they can see it really is my brake light, but that's about it on that. The other thing I've done is the seat height. I was able to get the seat height all the way up to max height. I think it's on number 5. It's max 4 or 5. And so the bike sits a little higher, and also it leans a little more to the left when it's on the kickstand due to it being higher. But it does give it that more of a, you know, like a little sport bike feel because you're more leaned in. And of course I got the seat cover on, so the seat cover gives it a little more standing out also. Most of the things I did do, I had someone else, so one of my friends, help me, Devin, and I will be putting his TikTok in the description, so please look at his TikTok. He has a Ninja 400, and I recommend if you have a Ninja 400, you should probably follow him because he's done so much to his bike. He has it built for racing. He has ECU flash, a whole bunch of stuff, so I recommend you check out his channel. Also, I did get a new air filter installed, and we also did the oil filter, so I was able to get both of those also installed. The only thing I need to do now is just adjust my valves, and other than that, the Ninja 300 would be perfect actually. Now I'm still kind of iffy on the clip-ons. I don't know, like I really want clip-ons, but at the same time I don't know. A lot of people say there's no point because some people saying it's really for your racing, and then I hear some people say that it's good. It gives you more like a leaning position, so when you move up to a bigger bike, you already got the cornering good. So I don't know. I'll see how I feel. I'll see how I feel about the clip-ons. I might get them, might not. I'm not for sure. But other than that, this is pretty much everything I've gotten done with the bike, everything that is new with the bike. I can let you guys hear the exhaust, but I feel like the video does the exhaust no justice whatsoever because it's way louder and it pops. So we'll go ahead and try it. So that's what it sounds like idle. It's like 8 a.m. in the morning, so I don't want to wake anyone up, but that's pretty much it. That's everything I've done with this. I got brakes in, so I still gotta change the front brake. I gotta put a new front brake in. The rear brake is good, but the front one needs it. That's about it, you guys, and maybe underglow, but other than that, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for all the new people that's been supporting me. Got a lot of new subscribers and likes, especially when I went on that group ride. So I'm gonna get a lot more group rides out. But man, I have to say, the Ninja 300 is looking really good right now. I'm actually really satisfied on how it looks. Like, it literally does look like that my dream bike 636. It does. So other than this, you guys, this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Take care and have a blessed day.
Hating on me, cause you hating on my crew, saying that we so weak, and tell me that we don't know what to do. I don't be here, they with it fly. They hating on me cause I'm so fly. Hurting on me cause I'm so G. Your girl texting me every day and night.